Ain't it a wonderful thing to live in such a cool, beautiful place? Hey everybody, welcome to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX, right here on Ham Shack TV. We are out doing some fun stuff today. We'll talk about that a little bit further here in a few minutes. Just wanted to address a lot of the comments and things that we've been hearing recently about the FCC situation. And very thankful for all the contacts that have been made, and people that emailed me and texted and commented on videos, and everybody has subscribed lately. This channel is so growing so fast, unbelievable. This particular video got more views than any video I've ever had, especially in such a short manner. I think last I checked it had 85,000 views. But very, very thankful for all the new folks that are tuning in. I thank you for being here. We are out today at Look Rock's up the street a little bit. We are on the Foothills Parkway, US 7588, doing a little POTA action. Last week I was able to acquire a ICOM 7100, which has now become a mobile rig for me, and doing something I've been wanting to do for a while. We're now getting into POTA. But I want to show you a few things. Back on the other video though, I know several of you've gotten heated and stuff in the comments, and that's fine, I understand. Keep in mind, some of my content is for entertainment purposes. I'm not Fox News or CNN or MSNBC or whatever. I am here for your entertainment. I still stand by what I said though. It may be speculation, but you know what? It is possible for any of this to happen. Totally is. But that's enough of that. Let's talk about what we're seeing here. I'll give you a little view of this area here. This is the East Tennessee Valley. We're looking over Blount County, Tennessee right now. And if I zoom in, and forgive this is all done with my iPhone. That white building you see right there is Prisma Health Blount Memorial Hospital. Further up here, you can see McGee Tyson Airport. That's Arconic/Alcoa. And then I'm going to zoom out just a little bit more. Sorry for the shakiness again. I lost my bearings here, folks. Here we go. That is downtown Knoxville, Tennessee, about 40 miles away. Incredible that you can see all that this far away. Now I'm seeing this, I don't know what that is. Good question. The mountain range you see off in the distance is the Cumberland Plateau. But from this point, I can see about, probably 6-7 counties, maybe more. Really cool stuff. You can see House Mountain off in the distance and things like that. But beautiful views down in the valley here. All right, so let's take a look at Big Red. Here's Big Red. Got that 7100 the other day, and thanks to the help of N2AL, we were able to install it. And this is what we're doing antenna-wise. He found this on Amazon, which I'll put a link to down in the description. This is a license plate mount, and it holds a ham stick. Now, it is a little floppy, and part of that is because it doesn't sit flush. Ford has this thing right here in the way, so that makes it a little bit of a challenge. But that is a keyhole to get your spare tire down. Anyway, coax runs up through my bed and comes back into the back of the radio, which lives under my seat. And there's the radio right there. Here in a minute, we'll go in and take a look at the setup here. But I can give you a good look at what we're looking at here. Beautiful view. Love my truck, y'all. I dreamed about this truck for years and years and was able to find one on a good deal. It's been a good truck to me. But AM/FM antenna there, and then over here Got the dual band VHF UHF Comet. Now we get in the truck. I just bonked my head. This is the 7100. Beautiful rig, works great. The actual body of the radio is under under my seat. And then we've been logging with World Radio League. Folks, I can't say enough about World Radio League. This is so easy to log on this. You don't need an internet connection. It works just fine. It is phenomenal software. Let me grab it here, let you take a little bit more of a look. But it automatically maps your contacts, and you can see where all I've worked just from here. But it's just phenomenal. You know, if you want to set up a log, all you got to do is go to your logbooks and click New Log, POTA, give your logbook a name, type your park number in and the frequency you want to be in, and create logbook. It's all pretty much automatic from there. You just log the contacts. But great logging app. You got spots over here too that you can work, folks. Love World Radio League. The World Radio League app is available on Android, web-based, iOS, you name it, they've got it. And they've also got cat control now. World Radio League is a proud sponsor of the Ham Shack TV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Go check it out. World Radio League is free, but of course they do have some premium options if you're interested in that. But anyway, guys, that's about it for this episode. I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Go check out all the links down in the description below. All those links do go and help the channel as we continue to grow. Can't wait for the next Hamfest. We're getting ready to go to Raleigh, North Carolina here in about 3 weeks for RARS Fest on, I believe it's April 5th. I could be wrong about that number, but I believe it's April 5th. Really excited about that one. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video on 73s. AA4WX, WSCB 693.